If the sum of n terms of an AP is Pn plus Qn squared, where P and Q are constants, then find the common difference. So, solution, let D be the common difference. Question is asked to find common difference. So, we have supposed D as the common difference. So, before we continue this question, let's understand one concept. We know S14 means sum of first 14 terms. Similarly, S13, the sum of first 13 terms. S10, the sum of first 10 terms. S9, the sum of first 9 terms. Now, let's subtract S13 from S14. So, on subtraction, we are going to get this line. Now, let's simplify this one. On simplification, ultimately, we are going to get S14 minus S13 as A14. Similarly, S10 minus S9, we are going to get A10. S6 minus S5 will give us A6. Check over here. The subscript of A is 14, which is also the subscript of this S. The subscript of this S is 10, which is also over here. The subscript of S is 6 over here, which is also over here. Now, can you guess S27 minus S26 will give A how much? It will be A27. This 27 is the subscript of S as well. Is this clear? So finally we have learned that Sn minus Sn minus 1 is equal to An. Look at this N. This N is also the subscript of this S. So this is the main concept that we are going to use in this question. We will begin our question with this concept. Is this clear? So by question, Sn is equal to Pn plus Qn square. Therefore, Sn minus 1 is equal to P in bracket n minus 1 plus Q in bracket n minus 1 whole square. How have we got this one? Just we have replaced this n by n minus 1. As soon as we replace this n by n minus 1, this n and this n must also be replaced by n minus 1. Now we know, just we have learned, Sn minus Sn minus 1 is equal to An. Now let's input the value of Sn. Sn is this one and Sn minus 1 is this one. So just we have input the values. Now we'll simplify. For simplification, first of all, this portion will be simplified. This is in the form of A minus B whole square. Means we can apply formula. It is n square minus 2n plus 1. And here P will multiply both these terms. So it is P n and minus P. Is this clear? After this, now here we open the bracket. Q multiplies all these terms to get Qn square minus 2Qn plus Q. After this, we are going to open the bracket. This curly bracket we are going to open. Here is minus sign. So this minus sign will change all these signs. So we are going to get this line. After this plus Pn minus Pn will be cancelled. Plus Qn square and minus Qn square will be cancelled. Then we are left with plus P plus 2Qn and minus Q. So ultimately we got the value of An as P plus 2Qn minus Q. Now again, we have learned already that An minus 1 is D. D stands for common difference. Common difference is the difference of a term and its preceding term. Isn't this? So now we are going to use this concept. So we know an minus 1 is D. Again, just we have found an is P plus 2qn minus q. Now we'll replace this n by n minus 1. On replacing this n by n minus 1, we need to replace this n also by n minus 1. Isn't this? So this value of an and this value of an minus 1 we are going to keep over here to get this line. After this, you can check this plus p and this minus p will be cancelled. This minus q and this plus q will be cancelled. So we are left with plus 2qn and this portion is left. Isn't this? Now we are going to open the bracket over here. Just open the bracket. Again, you can check this plus 2qn and minus 2qn will be cancelled out. Then we are left with 2q. So therefore, D is equal to 2q, which is our required answer.